Viewer discretion advised. The following video contains real-life incidents and scenarios. It is intended solely for educational purposes to demonstrate the effective application of the KARZAME Virtual Safety app for your personal security and safety. Viewer discretion is advised as some scenes may be sensitive or distressing. Disclaimer: the KARZAME Virtual Safety app is designed to enhance personal security and safety. Proper usage is essential to fully benefit from its features. Please note, this app is not intended as a crime-fighting tool or tracker. Failure to correctly apply the features of the app as described may compromise your safety and hinder its effectiveness in preventing crime and aiding investigations if eventual crime is committed with the police. KARZAME Technologies, the owner of this software, cannot be held responsible for misuse or failure to follow the recommended application practices to stay safe. Stay safe and use the app responsibly.
Night of May 21st, 2025, terror shattered the calm of a residential estate in the Edo industrial area of Abuja. Over 21 armed criminals breached the rear perimeter fence, launching a coordinated attack that overwhelmed local security teams. 5 security guards were seriously injured. Dozens of homes were invaded. Belongings, cash, phones, jewelry, all gone. The Federal Capital Territory Police received a distress call at 4:05 a.m., but by then, the attackers had already vanished into the dark. Despite reinforced patrols and the support of local vigilantes, the reality is clear. Current security measures are no longer enough. In today's world, criminals move in coordinated groups, fast, armed, and organized. This is why KARZAME exists. And this is where Vigilante, KARZAME's real-time emergency response system, becomes a critical line of defense. Introducing the KARZAME Virtual Safety app. Powered by KARZAME Technologies. With KARZAME, residents can pre-register their home or compound location to activate the emergency broadcast system, instantly alert estate security and the nearest police station or patrol team if an intruder is detected. How it works. When a user activates the emergency broadcast on the KARZAME app, Vigilante is triggered in real time, instantly notifying the nearest police station, internal, estate, local security, all linked response agents in the area. Imagine this. If every home in Ifab estate had been connected to KARZAME that night, real-time alerts could have enabled a faster and smarter response, possibly preventing the attack at first place. How to set up your broadcast system. Pre-register your compound or residence in the KARZAME app. Ensure your phone is fully charged before bedtime. In case of emergency, tap the instant security alert to broadcast your live location. Don't wait until it happens again. Join the movement for digitally secured neighborhoods. Download the KARZAME Virtual Safety app today, powered by KARZAME Technologies for real-time protection. Now available on Google Play